Greetings, dear parents and my dear children. This is Ruchi Madan, and we, G3 Management, Principal, and teachers, pray that you and your family are healthy, happy, and safe. In this current situation, I request you to follow all kinds of precautions and pray for peace around the world. You all are really important to us, and I want you to take care for yourself and your loved ones. As we all know, due to extension of lockdown period, we have started e-learning program by providing online classes, and we will continue the same during this lockdown period. Today we are going to start the first chapter of SST. This is our social science book, and the name of the first chapter is Globe and Map. Let us start reading of chapter 1. Our Earth is the most significant part of the solar system. This is the only planet where life prevails. Prevail means common in a particular place, यानी किसी जगह किसी भी समय ट्रेंड में होना. Our Earth comprises of large land masses called the continents and the larger water bodies known as the oceans. Their positions can be located on the earth with the help of the globe and maps. Now we will read about the globes and maps. You know that our earth is spherical in shape. Towards the pole it is slightly flattened, but the realistic view of our earth could be viewed only through the globe. The globe is a small and true model of the earth. It is a three-dimensional model. It is very informative. A globe gives us detailed and correct information about the shape of the earth. Both the poles, latitudes and longitudes, oceans and continents are shown on it. It provides more clear picture of our earth. Thus, it can give a more clear idea about our planet. A small globe is easy to handle, but it gives very little information. Big globe is difficult to handle. It occupies a lot of space and cannot be carried everywhere. It cannot show detailed information. Map can solve this problem. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Children, you can see the globe on this page. It looks like a ball, but on the other hand, we can see the map. It is an Indian map and it is a political map. They are designed to show governmental boundaries of countries, state and the location of major cities, and they usually significant bodies of water. Usually in maps, water bodies are shown with blue color and globe as well. Children, that means wherever you find blue color on the map or globe, that means they are water bodies. Now move to the next page. Maps are easy to handle. The details are shown in the form of different symbols, words, lines and colors. It is very difficult to understand that how much information a map can contain. A detailed map is not less than a voluminous book. What is voluminous book? It's mean very large, having a lot of cloth. We can draw different types of maps showing the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. It can be folded and even printed in the form of a book. We can have maps showing continents, countries, states, or even your city or village. We can plot a large variety of information on it. The science of map making is known as cartography. What is cartography? They are of making maps, means जिस टेक्नोलॉजी या जिस टेक्निक से मैप्स को बनाया जाता है या डिज़ाइन किया जाता है, it is called cartography. A map can show various features such as crops, minerals, industries, and even the means of transport. Maps can be of different sizes. Wall maps are very huge, which are used for display. We can bind the maps in the form of a book, and it is called atlas. I think you know very well about the atlas. Sometime you are playing the game like atlas, isn't it? Atlas contains different types of maps. One is political map. Political map which show different countries, states, administrative divisions, cities, towns, and villages in a country. Physical map which show different physical features such as mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus, and other features. Next is third one, thematic maps which show details of a certain theme such as rainfall, forest, soil, weather, roads, and crop distribution. Maps also have some limitations. The surface of the earth is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown accurately on the flat surface like paper. जैसे एक बॉल होती है, हम बॉल के चारों तरफ एक साथ नहीं देख सकते. वी कैन सी ओनली 3 साइड्स ऑफ अ बॉल लाइक अ ग्लोब. तो ग्लोब को एक ही बार में देखना इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. वी यूज़ अ वैरायटी ऑफ सिम्बल्स और साइंस on a map. These are called the conventional symbols of signs. These are used to show various features. Beta, today we have discussed about the globe and maps. What kind of maps we can see: political, physical, thematic, and what is the use of globe? How can we use the globe? We have read that. And for today, it is sufficient. Now I am sending you the PDF of these two or we can say 1.5 page. You try to read this, try to understand this, and tomorrow again we will start from the next topic of the same chapter. We will continue that. So good luck, be safe, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.